On the 240, the exhaust sounds really good, except for between 25 and 35. It has a really bad, like, cackle sound. So I ordered some Flowtech Red Hot here, which is essentially just a Glasspack muffler. So I'm gonna throw it on here and see how that changes it. Hopefully it'll quieten down just enough, leave some sound, but quieten it just enough to get some of that cackle sound and make it a little bit easier to do stuff. All right, guys. So this is our exhaust expander kit here, and this one is like 20-something bucks on eBay. It's a real simple kit. But in the end of the exhaust pipe, you take this and you can kind of figure out where you want it at. You put it in here, slide it in the tube, slide it down, go. And then you just tighten it up by hand, and it'll get to a spot where you can't tighten it up anymore. So then find a socket that will fit on here and hook it up to your impact, and as you run the impact in, it will squeeze this together and blow that pipe out. We're going to try that out. This is essentially how it works. Obviously that ain't going to work, but hold down the pipe. It's slowly blowing up the end of the pipe here. Alright, so there's the end of the pipe, and I'm not super impressed with it, to be honest with you. It flared it a little bit, I guess. While I'm under the car, I did figure I'd show you the suspension under here. These are the coilovers he put on here, which seem to be pretty nice. They look like a real nice setup, so cool. Alright, so I've made a mark right here and then here. So we're going to cut into this section and put this pipe in here. Alright, the new muffler is in. Now we just got to weld her up. Alright, welded up the Glasspack. Again, y'all know I'm a terrible welder. But it's in there, and I think it's going to be alright. And it does seem to be a little quieter already. So we'll see how it sounds revving up and going down the road. Alright, so we'll rev it up a little bit. That is much better already. And right now it's still in the shop, but that already sounds better. Don't have that crazy loud high-pitched cackle to it. It's just got a good solid tone to it. So we'll try it down the road. Another thing that we looked at yesterday after getting the Diff fixed is that it's starting to make some noise now, and I don't know if it was making noise beforehand or not, but now I'm realizing it. So as the car has got load on it, you're in the gas, it makes no noise. If you back out of it, it makes no noise. If you go in reverse at any time, it makes no noise. If you push the clutch in and freewheel going forward, it starts to make a like thumping noise. So I don't know, I'm gonna put it in gear and just let it sit here and roll for a minute and see what it does. Alright, it's in first and rolling, just idling, and it's not making any noises. So I'm gonna push the clutch in and see if it makes any kind of noise. And it didn't make any noise until I pulled the clutch back out, so that's probably normal. I don't know. Here it is in reverse. And the brake pad is squeaking a little bit, but there's no noises or funking or anything from the differential. I don't know. Get it off the lift, try it down the road. So here's a sound clip from out of the shop. It's got a much better tone now. Don't have that crazy loud cackle. It's still got a little bit of a cackle, but it's not just, I don't have a muffler crackle. Alright guys, this is that rear end noise I was telling you about. Let's see if you can hear it. So right now clutch is in, or sorry, the clutch is out, put the clutch in. So it makes that strange thumping sound. I don't know. It don't even seem that bad to me today than it did yesterday. I don't know. Anyways, here's some skids. Much better. Alright guys, here's what it sounds like. Somewhat nice car. Sounds just got a good tone to it instead of just all the time.
It's like going super fast. The motor's really good.
Pretty good.
The motor's good. Okay guys, we're going fast speed.
Still makes the cackle that I like. A little bit quieter, but it still makes it. Alright guys, I also installed the drift button today, so now you can, right now it's locking, I push it in, it doesn't lock anymore, so now you can just rip that e-brake all you want, and then when you use it, you just push it back out, and now it locks. There you go. Pretty cool.